The Reclaim Network Plus is the network which brings together the research community with the non-academic community, like the councils, the stakeholders, involving the environmental groups and charities, and then have the dialogue about how the green and blue infrastructure could be implemented in the urban areas and how their multi-benefits could be exploited.
We're here today to join this Reclaim Network Plus programme to report on the project that TUI has been working on, but also to meet and greet and smile at all the lovely people who are here, interested in how we reclaim parts of cities for nature and for people.
So, welcome to Surrey.
So I think we've got a very exciting kind of a lineup of the presentations today.
Absolutely fantastic to see researchers coming together from all over the world and solve the issues that we must solve in urgency. And very much looking forward to everyone to collaborate as well with the fellows of the Institute for Sustainability.
It's been an opportunity for me as an early career researcher to come up and speak and present to colleagues across all levels of experience, from professors to still students. So that's been really, really well.
And for me, what I find is start to see the general picture that emerges from all the various different projects. Just 5-minute presentations, but sort of you see something underlying, something bigger emerge out of that, and then you can follow up and talk to people in the breaks.
I think an awareness of the network within councils, and that's kind of a two-way street, in as much that the council departments that might all have a foot in the Reclaim camp, if you like, you've got quite a disparate bunch of people who perhaps you need to find ways of targeting the multivariate nature of Reclaim.
We are doing a tour of the Habitat Zone on campus at the University of Surrey. And Habitat is a project which aims to green urban areas and introduce sculptural artworks within those areas. So they're interesting, beautiful areas for people, but great for wildlife as well, to attract and support specific species.
We are creating with recycled materials a small habitat that anybody can do at home, recycling bottles and food tins and adding some natural materials into it to help snails and slugs to inhabit them.
It's been really exciting to see the outcomes of many decisions that were made a year ago.
It's all interconnected, and we do have to use nature-based solutions going forward.
Hearing about the need for evidence to change policy and stuff, I think this is going to be a really brilliant outcome.
That's one of the messages I would take away, is that we do start working together more. We start looking at what the potential opportunities are and how we can make the most of those for society going forward.